Welcome to How It's Fixed. In today's video, we will take out the front bumper of 2018 Ford Edge SEL. Always the best practice to lift up the car because we will go underneath the car first to take out the necessary clips and screws, and this lifting up gives us enough room to go underneath. As always, we'll start taking out the screws and clips from underneath. Now this is the right side fender liner, and you will notice there is that 7mm screw there and another 7mm screw right there, and then there's a clip followed by another clip on the end side. I'm using a 7mm nut setter with a socket wrench. So I got the gun now because I'm holding camera in one arm and the tool on the other, so I thought using a gun would make the process much faster. So the two screws on the right side fender liner we took out. Now we jump ahead and take out that clip. This is the other fender liner side and the same two screws there. From this side, the screw is turning along with the clip because of the reason why this side had an accident. And in the normal case, if you want to take it out, all you do is just hold the clip from top and then take out the screw. So one thing I notice is these holes you notice here, these holes also have the same screw. And to mention, these screws, they're not 7 or 8mm screws. They are one of these screws that have 7 divided by 32 NUTSETTER. So I did this on one end and I have to do the same on the other end as well. The moment you take out all those clips and the screws, you notice the bumper is starting to come out. Once the underneath part is done, we then jump on the side. We use the same 7 divided by 32 NUTSETTER to take out the screws. There are 6 screws in total. Slightly pull the fender liner. These are the 3 8mm screws that have kept the bumper attached with the fender, and we need to take them out. Once the screws are out, we then slightly pull the bumper downwards. Now, this side is damaged, but the takeout process is exactly the same as of the other side. We then move ahead to take out the clips from top. Took out 5 clips from the engine side. 7 clips from the logo side also need to be taken out. Underneath the cover, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 mm screws. Let's take them out. Now it's time to slightly pull the bumper. While pulling the bumper, we noticed this portion of bumper is anchored with the car and it needs to be lifted up so that we can easily take out the bumper. After this, we take out the plugs for fog lights and parking sensors. In total, we had 1 plug on top, 2, 3, and 4 plugs that we had to take out for the fog lights and parking sensors. That was it. We finally took out the bumper. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I'll catch you in the next video.